Yay! May na-recruit kami. Damay-damay na to. Bernardo's Jewelry. Nanay, tapos makikita ka dito ng ino-operang 55K, no?
And then you take case of Winnipeg, please.
Meron na, may confirmation. These ones.
We'd like to remind all our guests as well to please ensure the safety of your personal belongings, including bags, mobile phones, wallets, and electronic devices. If you have children accompanying you today, please keep an eye on them at all times. Make sure to take advantage of the exclusive this weekend only special deals offered by our exhibitors here at the Decorato Wedding and Venue Fair. By booking your wedding and venue suppliers today, you stand a chance to win a kitchen showcase. I said that right.
Big kitchen
And this
showcase.
special prize will be awarded to only one lucky on-site cooker, and the winner will be announced on Sunday, that's tomorrow, at 8 in the evening. If you have, well, you have until then to book your vendors. For every 500 worth of accumulated receipts, you will receive a raffle coupon. Now, if you have booked your suppliers from 11 a.m. kanina until about 3 p.m.
Can you put this on my bag?
20 minutes na lang, 20
Put
minutes
this
na lang,
on my
3
bag.
p.m. na. Well, if you have been doing your booking, you can actually have double your raffle coupons. We can give you double your raffle coupons. Once you submit your booking transactions or proof of booking to the organizer's booth until 3 in the afternoon, there you go. There's your chance to have your raffle coupons doubled up. So the more you book, the higher your chances of winning. Throughout the day, we will be giving away numerous raffle prizes every hour. We've announced that every once in a while. So again, congratulations to another winner every hour. Sometimes every after 30 minutes. So always be on standby. Feel free to capture the memorable events or moments you encountered at the Deformity Wedding and Venue Fair. Share your interests, cutest finds, and joyful experiences by using the hashtag #BeforeIDo. We will feature these wonderful photos on our website as well as our official Facebook and Instagram pages.
Ayun na, bali, less 10,000 po sa total po. Ito talaga ma'am yung pinaka-version ng down here. Viber na lang kita ma'am sa mga upcoming food tasting. As of now, kasi ma'am yung may mga invitation na po na yun nakakapag-food tasting. Ayun siya nakapapakasin.
Hindi na valid yan.
Hindi kasi yung nakakakuha daw na invitation naman.
Oh, sayang.
Bawa.
Tara, ikot tayo dun. Yung may mga invitation lang. Yung Dara naman. MCL Events Management. Tara, pere-pere. On the day coordination.
Hi po, placing table, donut wall.
Donut wall. Madaming flyers. Konti lang hindi tulad dun sa SMX Madami ano. May? Uy, coffee, nanay. Wow, coffee.
Coffee beans, ma'am. Here's our packages po. We have 2 packages po, ma'am. One is espresso, one is cold brew bottle. Sige, ako na po mag-upit, sir.
Sige po, ang daming hawak.
Ayan. Okay, for the espresso machine po, sir, ito na po yung setup niya kapag available po siya. And then we have the cold brew bottle po. Cold brew bottle po namin, sir. Ganito po siya. And then, ito na po yung i-deliver po namin sa inyo. Yes po. And then, every drink naman po, sir, is customizable naman po. For example,
okay.
kung hindi lang po kape yung gusto nyo i-avail. For example po, dahil may kids po, pwede po kayong mag-avail ng fruity specials po, sir. I-add na lang po namin sa packages nyo. And then, pwede po namin, ito po yung pwede namin gawin sa event po.
Pwede yung gawin dun yung on the spot na?
Yes po, sir. On the spot naman po lahat ng
Okay.
coffee and then drink po.
So, itong full setup na to nandun?
And yes po, ito na po yung full setup po. Except lang po sa pastries po.
Okay.
And then, lastly po, sir, is our giveaway package po. For the giveaway package po, sir, nakita po siya.
Ang ganda. Ang mga ninong-ninang. Ayos siya.
Ayan. So, ito po, sir, yung giveaway packages po namin. So, yung prices po na nandito, sir, are just basic prices po. Ito po, sir, may free days po.
Ayun ang gusto ko, may free taste.
So, basic prices pa lang po yun nandyan sa giveaway package.
Sarap.
Tapos the coffee po, sir.
Try nyo. Sarap.
So, ayun po, basic prices pa lang po yung... Hi! So, ayun nga po, as I was saying, basic pa lang po yung prices na natin. Kasi yung kasama na pa lang po, sir, is fold box po. Yung box po ng panggulat. Ganun pa lang po yung kasama niya. But then, if you want to upgrade po sa craft box, tap PP, or dito kaya yung flex box, may additional lang po. Tap PP po, sir, 1. Ito po, sir, 1 to na po. This setup na po siya. You can choose between modern kulat design or po kaya na since yung vintage po yung modern bottle is
Ano yun?
yung modern po, sir, na with the BP box is 150 po, sir. And then, everything is customizable naman po. For example po, sa mug po, gusto nyo po na may logo nyo po.
Ang ganda.
Yes
Gusto
po.
ko
And
yan.
then, on one side is our logo po.
Logo po namin. Since
Yes.
sa buong package yung
Andito naman lahat yung details
Yes
na.
po, sir, nandyan naman po. Can we get your information po para makapag-send po kami ng
Sure,
quotations
sige.
or if ever you want any additional